There are three major streams. One is to stop certain programs. Stop them. Close them. Turn them off. Even some you like. Now, why do I say that? Well, my test is a program so critical that it's worth borrowing money from China to pay for it? And the answer, so on that, I can say some things that you might say, I like the National Endowment for the Arts. I do. I like PBS. We subsidize PBS. Look, I'm going to stop that. I'm going to say PBS is going to have advertisement. We're not going to kill Big Bird, but Big Bird's going to have advertisements, all right?